Hi Anushi, hi Krishna, so hi Shiva, so hi Surendra. Hello.
Yeah, hi Vishwa. Good evening.
Good evening, good evening Anushi. Yeah, everyone. Yeah, Krishna, Shiva, Surendra. Yeah. All right. So here, so we gathered, so regarding completely data analyst, the demo class for this. So, and again, the tools, whatever the we are going to cover here, completely Power BI, Excel, MySQL, and again, AWS Glue with ETL transformations, and again, Python programming language, and you can statistics, like, basically, and you can deep dive into differentiate between, like, data engineers, data analysts, and again, data scientists. So how the role was important. So all these things. Clear it? Any confusion still now? Yeah. Anushri, Krishna, Shiva.
Yeah, good Vishwa.
Sure. Thank you. So meanwhile, like, I need to make you to understand that. So Shiva, like, you can start from your end. Like, how many years of experience you have, and again, why? So you are interested in the data analyst, everything. Yeah.
Yeah, total I'm having 6.5 years of experience. Okay. So I'm working in some like the internal developmental. I have trained for the Java, but the project was not related to that. So I
Mhm.
want transit now, like I want to career transition right now. So that's why I have choose the data analyst. Like I need the suggestions. Like is it the correct way to transit from my current career to the data analyst? That is my question. So I have keen interested into the data analyst. That's what I had joined this.
Okay, okay, that's cool. Fine. So anyone apart from this? Shiva, Anushi, Krishna, Surendra.
Yeah, hi. I have total 12 years of experience. Currently, I'm working as a solution architect. So to work on the migrations, I have to prepare day-to-day reports, and I have a lot of data, which is comes with Excel sheet. I have to prepare reports. It's a hectic work to do manual work. That's the reason I just opted for Power BI as well as this data analytics. Yeah.
Okay, great. So great, great. That's really great. So thank you, Surendra. So apart from this, Krishna, Anushi. Hello. So all right. So it's okay. So meanwhile, I will be continuing on this. Yeah. So the completely, so I need to make it to understand, like, so I'm going to deal with completely end-to-end data analyst with the cloud data analyst also. And again, the part of data engineering concept. What is the part of data engineering concept? Like ETL transformations, like extract, transform, load, or else like, extract, load, transform. This is one of the major things I need to make it to understand that. Is it clear, right, everyone? Descriptive
Yes.
analysis, diagnostic analysis, and again predictive analysis, and also like prescriptive analysis. So this is what I'm going to do here. So meanwhile, so everyone, like, welcome to data analytics program here. So meanwhile, we can have a like few insights on this. All right. So what is this data analysis? What is this data analytics means what? What is a data analyst? And again, what is a data professional? So all these things, like, we can discuss here. Data analysis is nothing but what we are getting the data from the real time, right? So that data sets, we need to make them to understand, and again, we need to deep dive into what exactly the data is arrived. So we need to examine that data. So that is considered data analysis with the different types of methods. Those methods are especially predictive analysis method, prescriptive analysis method, quantitative analysis method, qualitative analysis method. We have a different types of data analysis method. So these are the methods we need to use to analyze this one. And again, data analytics. Data analytics is a techniques combination of data analysis methods and again data analytics tools. Data analytics tools are nothing but like, visualization dashboards like Power BI, RLS, Tableau. The second one is like completely ETL transformations, and again third one like, statistics, and again the fourth one like, programming implementations, and again fifth one like, to analyze end-to-end statistics. So especially when we deal with the data analytics, right? So we should need to understand end-to-end statistics, like example, standard, median, mean, medians. So all these kind of activities we need to understand like in depth. And again, after that, data analyst. Data analyst is an engineer. You need to understand data analysis method and again data analytics tools to make it out like complete exposure of the data. And in data professionals, we are going to deal with like n number of data sets, like different streams of data sectors, like example, healthcare, financial, banking applications, all this kind of data we are going to deal. So this is what generally like terminologies like introduction on this. So is it clear, right? Anyone, any confusions?
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you for this. All right. So now, so generally we are going to deal with a lot of real-time scenario data also, healthcare data, finance data, retail data, and again telecom data, all this kind of data we are going to deal here. And so meanwhile, yeah. So data analyst, data scientist, data engineer. So anyone, any confusions on these three roles? How we are data analyst is also part of data engineer, or else data engineer is also part of data scientist. So how exactly can anyone describe this? So these three differences.
Data engineer is just kind of like a beginner role where data is, like what is the source and how to pull the data and all these things he used to take care of data analyst and what type of data insights we are getting and what type of data we have to get outcome. So it's just like a predefined role. It is defined by data scientist or somebody else upon him. So he'll just get to work on it. Whereas data engineer, he manages both entire that pipeline, like from being data coming from source till the target, like how it is going to be saved in the target, whether it's a JSON file or whatever file we say here, right? So he takes care of entire infrastructure and everything, data engineer. Whereas data scientist, he works on the entire, how could I say, design phase, I would say. How data will come, the flow he will make sure the flow works as he designed.
Yeah, that's really great. This is a point actually. Yeah. Okay. So fine. So thank you for this inputs. Great. So, so I think. Okay. So finally, I got the answer. Okay. Okay. So meanwhile, yes. So definitely whatever you said, like that's 200% right. So data engineers is a kind of, so engineers, they'll be collecting the data and again, they'll be doing the transformation of data. That's very important things because that transformation of data, they'll be collecting from one format of data conversion to the other formation, other format of data. So that's a major things from them, especially. And the second one, so what is that? Data analyst. They'll be gathering like older data, arresting on past data, and again they'll making to understand like end to end to optimize the data with manipulations, removing the duplications, all this kind of activities. And again, what is the data scientist? Data scientist, like they'll be implementing with like real time data, and again they'll be making completely new algorithms and again they'll be creating the algorithms developments with predicting the new data. So that's one of the major things. So, okay, fine. Anyone? So, okay, fine. That's it. So yes, like no, generally I'm going to deal here Excel, Power BI, Tableau, also Python. So if there is a time persist for us, our language also we can learn. Or else Python, Excel, Power BI, and again SQL with the MySQL database, and again NoSQL with the MongoDB also. I'm going to do that one. That is one of the thing. And again completely descriptive analytics, diagnostic analytics, predictive analysis, and again prescriptive analysis. So what happened the data, what happened the previous data, and again why did it happen, and again what is likely to happen. So what should be done in future? All this kind of activities will be replacing all these scenarios. Clear, right?
I have one query.
Yes,
Can I ask?
yes, please, yes, please.
Yeah. So, what is the major difference between Microsoft Fabric and Power BI tool? Just want to check.
I didn't get you. Sorry. Voice is
Microsoft Fabric.
okay, okay, okay. Microsoft Fabric.
And between, I mean, what is the major difference between? Is it same tool, analytic tool as we have Power BI?
Yeah, see, Microsoft Fabric is completely like it is also same. Like it will be like more advanced API communications there. So that is one of the major thing, Microsoft Fabric. But apart from that, nothing difference. Only the API communication interaction. That's it.
Okay.
The entire data lifecycle will be handling from the injection method. So that is one of the major things here. So anyone apart from this, okay, so that is one of the major thing. And also apart from this, like we have like major roles on this. And again, no need to worry, like from my end. So I'll be giving the complete like CV preparations and again interview like questions and again real time projects handling all these things. And also like a AI tool. The AI tool, this is a AI tool we are going to use. Julis. Julis AI tool in the real time scenario. The Julis AI tool. Like suppose if I upload any kind of Excel sheet data, suppose take an example. So Julis AI, upload a file. So any kind of data, okay. Take it out example with any kind of Excel sheet data. So meanwhile, before that, I'll be seeing like any sample Excel sheet data. Let me check on this. Okay, take it out this sales modeling data only. Okay, fact sales. Okay, no, not, I don't know this. Right, I'll be taking like one of the sample one. Okay, see you. This we can take it out. Patient data dialysis, okay? It's only, it is also having the less data. I don't want this also. Okay, we can take it out this. Patient data with 100 rows, okay? So in this case, so we have a like completely, so name, patient ID, age, gender, disease, admission date, discharge date, treatment summary, outcome, doctor assigned, and again hospital wing, room number, insurance provider, insurance coverage. Okay. Now what I'll do, this patient data 100 rows, I'll be uploading this sheet. Second. So this patient data, I'll be uploading this moment. Now I need to, okay, once this, okay, fine. So this is what I'll do. Okay. Now I need to find out with this data. Please find out the descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, and a descriptive diagnostic, and again quantitative, qualitative data analysis, and again quantitative with graph, with charts. Example, okay. Just take an example. This will be given the complete understanding to us. See, by default, it is calling the library called as a import pandas libraries. See here, so I have uploaded the patient data. In this case, I need to find out descriptive analysis, diagnostic analysis, qualitative analysis, and again quantitative analysis. Okay. Generally, I written the typo errors, but meanwhile, it will take it out. So this here, import pandas as a PD metaplot library. So anyway, we in our classes, like in the Python, we'll be going to learn with the pandas, metaplot library, Seaborn, all these things. And again, so when it comes down, see your table click view. So the table will be showing here end to end. So and again table click view. So this is a table output. See your descriptive analysis, summary, overall summary statistics. It will be showing here patient ID, age, like generally random data without any prior knowledge. Just it is giving the random data. If we need like exact data, it is also giving the exact data. Okay. So table click view. So this is a Julius AI tool, very important. Sample treatment summary, quantitative analysis. So generally we know that what is qualitative analysis and again quantitative analysis, right? So what is this quantitative? Descriptive means what happened. Diagnostic means why did it happen. Predictive means what is likely to happen. Prescriptive means what should be done, right? Quantitative means how much data it is happened. And again qualitative means again what is the exact quality of that. So now text output and image classing. Image output. So this is image age distributions. And again now this is a, okay, 1 second, it is loading. See, this is overall age distributions, gender account, male, female, and gender count. Fine. Finally, this is okay. Age by outcome, and again, so all this is one sample output from the descriptive analysis. Okay, same thing. I have completed the comprehensive analysis with the patient data, descriptive analysis. This is the patient ID, name, age, all these values it is giving the output here. Now, diagnostic analysis, why did it happen? Qualitative analysis, and again age distributions, all the calci, gender counts. So this is what the overall output it gave. So like generally it is a random data without our any brain, without our any prior knowledge. Is it clear, right? This Julius AI tool will be covering in our classes end to end. So what is the tools I'm going to cover here? First thing, see the data list. Very first thing, statistics. Okay. Second one, version control system tool. Okay, I don't want this in second one. Excel. Third one, Python. Fourth one, Power BI. Fifth one, SQL, MySQL. Sixth one, NoSQL, MongoDB. and again the Power BI, so Python, and again cloud services. With AWS data analytics. AWS RDS databases. Clear, right? Anyone? Any confusions till now? So we are okay, right? Up to here. Amrut, Hanushri, Krishna, Shiva, Surendra.
Yes.
So everyone clear, right? And again, the project is, so we're going to learn like in depth of each project in the live time. Is it, okay. Yeah, so this is a completely what is the data life cycle, and again why did it happens. So what is the mean time to recovery, all these kind of stuffs. So this is the completely end to end. And again the projects of analysis of real-time patient data with the domain, and again loan of customers with banking and again finance. So employee retentions with the HR analytics, industrial combustion energy, and again flights data analysis, all is to store analysis, and again all these things. So this is a completely end-to-end real-time scenario. So how many of them are like good at Excel, Python, Power BI? Amrut, Anushi, Krishna, Shiva, Surendra.
I'm having a basic Excel knowledge, Vishwa.
Basic Excel. It's okay,
Yeah.
no worries. We can learn here in depth of understanding of the syllabus.
Mm. And Vishwa, my question is like, I'm not into the data related project currently. So is I'm eligible for this data analyst? So my background is BTech.
Mhm.
So is I'm eligible for this?
Which course you are doing? I mean, which branch?
I'm from the ECE.
EC branch.
Yeah.
Okay, so I mean, are you interested for the data scientist role and again data engineering role in future?
Yeah, I will do that. But currently, I was interested into the data analyst currently. So, like, my question was, is I'm eligible for this role? That's all.
Yeah, it's eligible, no worries. Basically, like, I'm going to cover a like, kind of data engineering also and again data analyst also. It's a very good for you, yeah, basically, rather than DevOps, DevSecOps, ML labs, right? So you can get this data and again you can do this data pipeline. Basically, data pipeline is a concept,
Mm-hmm.
data ops.
Okay.
This is
Okay.
what we should do, real-time scenario data pipeline. So this
Mm-hmm.
data pipeline is very important. Wherever we go, so this they will ask for any data analyst engineer also, data pipeline.
Okay.
So this data pipeline is very important.
Mm-hmm.
Sure. data sources, how we will be collecting, staging, and again data preparations, and again analytics with ML, all this kind of stuffs.
Okay.
So this is what data sources, event processing, ETL storage, querying, and again Power BI. So all this.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
So it's a good career for you, no issues.
Okay.
So basically data apps. So
Yeah.
get it, find it, roll it, work it, live it. Simple. Everyone knows DevOps, everyone knows DevSec apps, everyone knows ML apps, everyone knows AI apps, SIC apps, cloud apps, fin apps. But data apps is a major ruling very good technologies in the real-time scenario. Okay. Everyone clear, right? So Shiv Kumar, Surendra, Amrut, Shri Krishna.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what end of the day our projects will be completing in the live in the AWS cloud. Yeah.
The class starts from tomorrow, right? Or to
Yes, yeah.
same time, day 9:30.
Yeah, same time, yeah.
Okay.
Direct, any confusions?
For the same point which just now someone has spoken to you. I'm into bad automation side, and I'm planning to upgrade my skills. So I'm planning going with this data analyst. So how much it can be helpful for me in my upgradation of my skills?
No, it's very good for you compared to, so basically automation process, right? So this is what in the real-time scenario. So data apps is very important, especially for the automations. That is what like ETL format where we can do that here. Yeah. Any confusions till now? Anyone? If nothing, like no, I need to jump to my other meeting. Amrut, Anushri, Krishna, Shiva, Surendra.
Yeah, I'm good. Vishwa.
Yeah. So please register like no as earliest. So the link will be keep on changing immediately. So that's like no end of our goal. Data apps is a very important concept. In the tomorrow, I'll be showing this one of the point. Okay. Okay, right? Yeah. So fine. Can we end now the session? Amrut, Anushri, Krishna, Shiva, Surendra.
Sure.
Sure. So thank you. Thank you, everyone. So good night. So we'll connect tomorrow then. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.